Hi, I know what it is to be fearful, and I wanted to address that matter. I've been hearing about it a lot on the page, and I wish someone had just reassured me that the fear was a normal part of life. It's a normal part of anything. So what I did is I took your concerns for fear and I did a little quick research. I wrote it down so I stay on track. And hopefully this will help you to be able to get to a place where you could have a little relief from your fears. So what is fear? Fear is not what you think. Fear is just simply an unpleasant emotion caused by the belief that someone or something is dangerous, likely to cause pain or threat. So whatever your definition of fear is, let it go and adopt that one. That is just an unpleasant emotion. About the someone thing. For instance, we're talking about health here. So it's probably your doctor, your practitioner, healthcare provider. Do your research on them and ask them honest questions. That's the only way to figure out who they really are. Ask them how many previous procedures or patients have they treated with your condition and what were their results and what have they learned about the condition now based on their experience. Now it's going to take courage to ask your provider, what have they learned about your condition based on treating previous patients and exposure to that condition? But ask anyway. Don't be afraid. Be leery of doctors and providers who get offended by you asking. It's their area of knowledge. And if they're not able to educate you or they haven't learned anything about it, you want someone who is practicing medicine. And practicing does not mean perfect. Practicing means improvements. You want someone who has a better handle on the subject matter now than they did before they started. Also, have meetings with people. Find out what their goals are. What do they plan to achieve? About the something. It might be about your procedure or your surgery. All kinds of surgeries. Find out about all kinds of them. Don't just take my topic post, for instance, open myomectomy, and just stay with that. There's all kinds of other procedures. There's laparoscopic, there's hysteroscopic, there's Ascensia. There's all different types of procedures. Find out about these types of procedures. Don't let your fear run amok on you. Find out what has been the outcomes of those different procedures. What are the benefits? And also, what are the cons? The part about fear likely to cause pain, yeah. Find out about how the pain will be managed. What type of pain could you expect from whatever procedure or treatment that you're going to get? Even something as simple as an IV or a piercing. Find out how your provider is going to minimize that pain. Find out what you could do at home to ease that pain. For instance, for me, with cramping and bloating and pressure, I found that just a simple hot water bottle, of course, put a towel on first and then put the hot water bottle. Don't ever put it directly on your skin to not burn yourself. But I found something as simple as a hot water bottle to alleviate a lot of pain at home, that even after I had a pain medicine regimen that I was taking, was not fully effective until I put that hot water bottle on it. And it worked every time. So find out what you can do for your own pain relief. Find out how your pain will be managed and where that pain will be coming from. Also, threats. What are your risks? Find out about the procedure. Okay? Make your decisions once you have those questions made. You always want to make your decisions based on some facts. Never make your decisions just based on fear. And that goes for anything in life. Don't make decisions based on fear, because fear is emotion. Fear is an emotion of beliefs, of things being threatening, likely to cause pain, a fear of someone, or fear of something. Fear is pretty much the unknown. And you can get in the know. When it comes to your body, there is an entire subject in practice dedicated to learning about the body. The human body, it's an entire field. Don't expect to know everything. Even the people in that field are constantly learning. But put yourself in the most informed position that you can. Transform your fear into action. Get relief from your fear by being informed. Fear will never be able to take the place of facts. And when you lay facts on top of your fear, then you can start to make an informed decision for whatever that is. But don't let fear drive you, because fear is not based on anything solid. And we're working on building ourselves to be the most solid person that we can. Leave your comments. Ask me questions. I do better when I know what you need. I enjoy it. I wish that I was there for me when I needed me. So I'll be there for you. Have a good one, and I'll see you soon.